Now, before you start, here are 10 quick considerations on how to take this course. And I promise they are super short and super important. So please don't skip this video. And first of all, there are many different types of students in this course. Some have never programmed in their life. Others have experience with other languages, but not with JavaScript. And even others have some experience with JavaScript, but want to become even more advanced. And this course is for all of you. Everyone is welcome. So please don't write a bad review right away if the course is too easy or too hard or progressing too slow or too fast for you. I built this course with everyone in mind. Now, to make the course perfect for you, you can always rewatch lectures, jump to other more advanced sections, watch the course with slower or faster playback speed, or ask questions in the Q&A section. Of course, you can give a 1-star review if the course is absolutely terrible, but please at least wait a couple of sections to get a good idea of the course. Now, about actually taking the course, you need to code along with me. And this is crucial. You will learn exactly 0 JavaScript skills by just sitting and watching me code. So you have to code yourself, even if you're just typing the same code as I am typing in the video. It doesn't matter as long as you're coding. Next, try all the coding challenges. Do the best that you can, but if you get stuck for too long, then simply watch the solution. And I can't stress this enough. You have to try the coding challenges, because otherwise you will miss half of the learning opportunity in this course. And please don't beat yourself up if you can't figure out the solution. This is completely normal, trust me. And figuring out the solution is actually not even the main point of these challenges. So if that happens, just rewatch the lectures that were covered, try to understand them better, and move on. If you want the course material to stick, then take notes. Notes on code syntax, notes on theory concepts, and really notes on everything. You can't take too many notes. And everyone has their own style, so just find yours. Now, if this is your first time ever programming, then please don't get overwhelmed. It's 100% normal that you will not understand everything at the beginning. Just keep going through the first few sections, even if you don't understand everything at first. You soon will, believe me. But please just don't think, I guess coding is not for me. That thought is simply not allowed here, okay? So keep in mind that everyone has different learning speeds. I have seen tens of thousands of students progressing through my courses. So believe me, this is completely normal. In the first couple of sections of the course, don't bother understanding exactly why things work the way they do in JavaScript. Also, in the beginning, don't stress about efficient code or fast code or clean code. That's all super important, don't get me wrong, but in the first few sections, while still learning, we just want to make things work. We will understand the why later in the course, and of course, make the code clean as well. The sections in the course build on one another. So before moving on from a section, make sure that you understand exactly what was covered. So take a break, review the code that we wrote, review your notes, and review the projects that we built. And maybe even write some code yourself in order to practice. Only then you're ready to move on. If you ever have an error in your code or a question, always start by trying to solve it yourself, because this is absolutely essential for your progress. Now, if you cannot solve the problem, then check the Q&A section, because someone probably already had the same problem before. And if that doesn't help either, then just ask a new question. And to do that, use a short description, post your code on codepen.io, and share the link in the Q&A. Because without the code, we will not be able to help you. I built and recorded this course on a Mac, but everything works the exact same way on Windows or Linux. So if something doesn't work on your computer, it's not because you're using a different operating system. Okay? And now, finally, and most importantly, have fun. Coding is a lot of fun, and it's so rewarding to see something that you have built yourself. So if you're feeling frustrated for some reason, stop whatever you're doing and come back later. Always have fun while coding. Okay? And with that being said, let's now get started.